Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English. So friends, in today's video we are going to revise the second chapter of grammar, which is the pronouns. So friends, let's get started, and before starting the video, please like my channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let us start. So friends, first of all, we should all know that what are pronouns. So here is the define of pronouns, that the words which are used in place or instead of nouns are called pronouns. So it means that pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns in a sentence or in a paragraph. So like I am having the example that how to use the pronouns. Like Raj is a good boy. Raj helped her mother in work. Raj is in class 8 and Raj has a little sister also. So here the word and the noun Raj is repeating again and again. So it is not right, and we should use pronouns instead of this word Raj. So we can write he instead of Raj, because Raj is singular and he is masculine form. So we are going to use he instead of Raj. So what will be the sentence here? That Raj is a good boy. He helped her mother in work. He is in class 8 and he has a little sister also. So now it is perfect. We have used the pronouns. Now the second point is that there are total 10 types of pronouns that we are going to read in this chapter. So next is I have written some of the examples of pronouns like he, she, it, they, herself and who. So these all are the pronouns, but they are of different types. And now we are going to revise the types of pronouns. So let's start. So here are the types of the pronouns. So in this video we are going to revise only 4 types of pronouns. So they are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronouns. So first of all, we are going to revise about personal pronouns. So personal pronouns are the pronouns which are used for the names of the place, thing or animals. So like nouns are there, so in the place of nouns we can use these pronouns in the names of the people or animals or things. Now there are first person, second person and third person. So in this pronoun there are first person, second person and third person. So first person is the person who is speaking, like me. I am speaking to you, I am telling something to you. And second person is the person who is listening to me, means you are listening to me, so you are the second person. And the third person is the pronouns that we are talking about. So the first person is the speaker, second person is the listener and the third person is the which we are talking about. So I hope it is clear to you. And some of the examples of personal pronouns are I, we, they, he, she, it, me, they, them, you, we and us. So these are the some of the examples of personal pronoun. Okay friends, so now I hope the personal pronoun is clear to you. Next is possessive pronoun. So possessive pronouns. So friends, in possessive pronoun we are going to read that the possessive pronouns are the pronouns in which the pronouns show possession, means something belongs to someone. So possessive pronouns are the pronouns that are used to show the possession, and we can say that something belongs to someone. Like I am having an example like this book is mine. So here mine word is used to show possession, that book is mine. So here mine is the possessive pronoun. One more example, that the decision is yours to make. So here yours is the possessive pronouns because your is telling about the possession of a decision. Okay. Now the next one is demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns that are used to point out the objects. Point out a thing or point out a object. Like some of the examples of demonstrative pronouns are that, these, those, and this. So these are some of the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Now one sentence of this pronouns is like this is my book. So this is used to point out a thing, like book, that is pointing out the book. So here this is the demonstrative pronoun. That next one example, see that those are Rajiv's pen. So those is here the demonstrative pronoun because those is pointing out the thing, the pens. Okay. Now next is the last type of pronouns that we are going to revise in this video is interrogative pronouns. So interrogative pronouns are the pronouns which are used to ask the questions. Like some of the examples are who, what, when, etc. Now sentence like who are you? Whom did you call up? What is the name of that girl? Which of these boxes is yours? So in these sentences we are using the interrogative pronouns. And one more hint we can get in this type of pronouns, that the words which are of interrogative pronouns are of WH family. Means the words which are used in this type of pronouns start from W and H, like who, what, when, whom, etc. And second one is the use of question mark. The use of question mark is also important because in the last of the sentence we cannot mark the full stop in interrogative pronouns because here we are asking the question. So question mark is very important. So friends, I hope that all the types of pronouns that we have discussed in this video are clear to you, and if you have any doubt, so please comment in the comment section and like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friends, thank you for watching.